Okay, in this video we're going through setting up a new email signature to reflect the new brand. Before we get started, important to note, you were sent a couple of files. One is an image of the actual signature block, what it looks like, the fonts used, colors, things of that nature. The other is a file which is an image. Download that image and place it in a folder that is easily accessible later on. So from your Gmail account, anywhere within Gmail, go to the gear icon in the top right, click on Settings, scroll down to your signature block pane. I've got two. We'll be working with the ANA. You see, I already have mine set up. I'm going to go ahead and create another one just below it for the sake of showing you how to do this. First thing we do is insert an image. Click on the insert image icon. You want to click on the upload. It will prompt you to upload a file. So I'm going to drag a file in here and upload this file, which I have done a few times already. And there's your image. Hit enter. You're ready to input on the next line. Okay, this line will include your name, so let's type your name. The name is actually in a sans serif font, large, and the color is going to be this second shade lighter from black, which is RGB 68. The two colors we'll be working with are the second shade black and the fourth. So second from the left and the fourth. So we'll click this one up and we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and input the rest of this text formatting as you see on the reference image I sent, and then we'll join back in after I get finished up. Okay, so I've input all my text. You'll see here that I included all my phone numbers. Actually, I see a mistake here. The office number, that O should be italicized. Let's just highlight it real quick so I can show you. Should be italicized, Verdana font italicized, and also the fourth one over, which is that lighter gray. Okay. That will apply to the C and the F as well. There should be 3 spaces in between each, which I don't have here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, and then the numbers are just the same Verdana font, but not italicized, and the darker shade of black there. Okay, which is the RGB. Again, let's go to that just for your own edification. That is the RGB 68. All right. So last thing we do is input the web link. To do that, we go to the toolbar again, click on the link icon, insert link. Want to make sure the web address is checked, and just type in aamfg.com. Click OK. Make sure that that text also is populated in the text to display box. Click OK, and there's your link. Okay, so what you do after you input all these changes, make sure that you proofread, everything looks good, go to the bottom and click Save Changes. I am not, because I already had mine set up, so I'm going to cancel out and go to your inbox and send yourself an email. I'll be sending 2 Into Aquatics from Greg at AAMFG. you'll notice these numbers here are exactly as I type them into the signature block pane. But when I receive that email, the browser actually interprets those numbers as phone numbers and converts them to a link. So that's the reason for the change in formatting when you see the actual email come through. Click send, check your inbox, and there you go. That's it. If you have any questions, give me or anyone else, probably Lori, a call, and we'll be more than happy to help you get this set up.